Thank you very much to all our challenge partners. It was a huge variety of different topics, and we're super interested in how this is going to turn out. Maybe as a quick recap for each and everybody, what you saw and heard today, it was Klaus Wittig from AUVA, the Next Gen Safety, Innovating Safe Journeys to School. We had Zuzana Ševčík-Ašenbrennerova, I hope I pronounced that right, from the city of Bratislava, together with Peter Benjo, AI for Open Governance, Data Transparency Meets Privacy. We had Elisabeth Leitner from Grünstadt Grau and RenoWave, Rebuild, plug-and-play renovation for a circular future. We had Christian Tauber and Matthias Hatzibar from NeoAlp, the human touch, designing the next generation of humanoid robots. Then we had Marek Drzik, from Beka Software, intelligent natural language interface for open source CRM systems, and HVAC automation with waste heat recovery. Then we had Clemens Meyer and Patrick Awad from Smandert.com, IoT Austria, and Maria Hilfei, back in control, the Open Appliance Maker Challenge. And last but not least, Milan Botka, Executive Director of the Slovak Center for Productivity, built the smart SME of tomorrow. That is it for our challenges. A heads up for all of you guys. If you want to mingle with the challenge partners, have a first conversation, maybe even plan your projects together, there is going to be, thank you, there is going to be, if you look over there, there is going to be documents where you can sign in or sign up for those challenges at the tables provided at the back and also outside. I would like to ask our challenge partners to stay at one of those tables so that people can just come by, talk to you, and set up your challenges and your cooperations. Again, a big thank you to all the challenge partners, a big thank you to the organizing team, a big thank you to all of you coming here from Bratislava and the surroundings, and also from Vienna and the surroundings. The goal now is to essentially network, to mingle, to get to know the challenges on a deeper level, even the challenges themselves. We've had it in the past years that challenge partners collaborated with each other and not with only makers or startups or whoever. So this is a great opportunity also for you to mingle. And with that said, I believe that's it. One more question here. Absolutely, yeah. I forgot to mention, there is the Twin City Hub website, but also the Industry Meets Makers website. Please make sure to have a look at that. More challenges are going to come in the next couple of weeks and months, and there is still the possibility, not only today, to register for those challenges, but throughout the next couple of weeks and months. So I believe that sums it up. I'm wishing you a very great evening. Keep up the spirit, keep up the collaboration, and looking forward to see what spirals out of this in May. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.